Good morning, students. So, beta, we were doing the chapter New Government Program and Policies, and we would be continuing with the same. So, what was the chapter name? Chapter name was New Government Program Programs and Policies. Okay, New Government Program and Policies. So, we have completed till Pradhan Mantri Kisan Pension Yojana, and we have to begin with Mega Pension Scheme. So, first one is Mega Pension Scheme. Okay. So, our Mega Pension Scheme has been approved for the traders, shopkeepers, self-employed person whose GST turnover is less than 1.5 crore. The scheme guarantee a minimum assured pension of rupees 3000 per month for around 3 crore small traders, self-employed persons, shopkeepers once they attain 60 years of age. Okay, so this scheme is for whom? For traders, shopkeepers, self-employed person. Those who have less than what? GST turnover is less than 1.5 crore, and they get a pension of rupees 3000 per month. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you that mega scheme pension scheme is for whom? Okay, and they get it till the age of 60 years. Am I clear? Now let's move on to another scheme, New Jal Shakti Ministry. Another program is New Jal Shakti Ministry. Okay, and what is in here in this program? The new Modi government has announced formation of Jal Shakti Ministry by merging water resources, river development, and Ganga regeneration ministry and drinking water and sanitization ministry. This ministry is led by BJP MP Gajendra Singh Shekhawat from Jaipur, Rajasthan. It aims at providing piped water connection to every Indian household by the year 2024. So, this scheme was launched by Modi government or BJP. See, this is how you should maintain a few points that can be asked. And who is the uh, minister here? Minister is not Gajendra. Gajendra Gajendra Singh. And another thing, it is what? For provide provide water connection, piped provide piped water connection in every household. Till 2024. Okay, this is their aim. This is the aim कि 2024 तक हर घर में पाइप्ड वाटर कनेक्शन होगा. Am I clear? You can take down the screenshot if you want to. Please take down the screenshot because these are the short points, direct exam based notes. Please take down the screenshot, students. Okay, I'm wrapping it off now. Let's see another program or policies. आयुष्मान भारत योजना और प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना. सो जन आरोग्य योजना. So प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना, that is PMJAY, प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना, under Ayushman Bharat umbrella was launched by the National Health Agency, that is NHA. It is a government sponsored health insurance scheme that will provide free coverage for up to rupees 5 lakh per family per year in any government or empaneled private hospital all over India. It will cover beneficiaries' families identified on the basis of socio-economic class survey, that is SECC 2011, in 444 districts of 30 states and union territories. It is touted as world's largest healthcare scheme. So what is name the world largest healthcare scheme? That is what? आयुष्मान भारत योजना और प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना. Okay, so this is world largest healthcare scheme. Okay, what is the full form of SECC? The full form is socio or you could also write census. Now let's move on to another program, that is curriculum for life skill or Jeevan Kushal. Let me rub it off first. Because nothing new is written here. curriculum for life skill or जीवन खुशहाल सॉरी जीवन कौशल सॉरी जीवन कौशल or what curriculum for life skills. So what comes under this scheme? Union Minister of State for Human Resource Development Sanjay Dhotre launched the curriculum for life skill or Jeevan Kaushal designed by University Grants Commission in New Delhi. Curriculum for life skill encourages development of life skills in every individual as an essential part of wholesome learning. Importance of this new curriculum initiative of UGC on the life skills is that this will lead to improvement in collective efficiencies of country's young population. Okay, so this program is for to improve the efficiency of young population. Am I clear? So another scheme, Gram Swaraj Abhiyan. Another program is for Gram Abhiyan. Gram Abhiyan. Wait, Gyan Swaraj Abhiyan. Gram Swaraj Abhiyan. So what are we going to talk about in this scheme or program? The Gram Swaraj Abhiyan special intervention was launched by Union government. So who launched it? Union government. Union government launched this, and it aims to deliver welfare scheme to select villages which need special attention. So in this it aims to deliver welfare scheme for to whom? To the villages which need special attention. Deliver what? Deliver welfare scheme to the villages that need special attention. Okay, deliver welfare scheme to the villages that need special attention. So the Abhiyan has 7 schemes under it, namely Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, Ujjwala Scheme, Saubhagya, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, and Mission Indradhanush. Okay, so in this only in this Abhiyan 7 schemes come. You have to remember the name of these 7 schemes. In this Gram Swaraj Abhiyan, we also talk about 7 schemes. The names of these schemes you have to learn it on your own. Am I clear? Please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot, students, so that I can rub it off. Okay, I'm rubbing it off now. So this was our Swaraj Abhiyojana Abhiyan Gram Swaraj Abhiyan. Now coming to the next Abhiyan, that is Poshan Abhiyan. Poshan Abhiyan was launched by Pradhan Mantri itself, PM Modi, in Ju, Rajasthan in March 2018. It was launched by what? Whom? Pradhan Mantri, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Poshan stands for, what is the full form of Poshan? So, full form of Poshan is Prime Minister Prime Minister's overreaching scheme for Prime Minister's overreaching scheme for holistic nutrition. So this is the full form for Poshan, Prime Minister's overreaching scheme for holistic nutrition. The first meeting of National Council on India's Nutrition Challenges under Poshan Abhiyan was launched in New Delhi. Its mandate is to provide policy direction to address countries' nutritional challenges through coordinated intersectoral action. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now, three more policies or programs that we have to do. After that, our chapter would come to an end. So, another program is Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan at Ramnagar, tribal dominated district of Madhya Pradesh, on the occasion of National Panchayat Day, that is 24th October. So, who launched it? PM Modi. On which date it was launched? It was launched on 24th April. And what happened on 24th April? That is National Panchayati Raj Day. Okay, so 24th April is national, not nation, it is national. National Panchayati Raj Day is 24th April. It is the central government scheme that aims at making rural local bodies self-sustainable, financially stable and more efficient. Now please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot, students. Okay, so I'm rubbing this off now. Another program is National Wild Solar Hybrid Policy. National Wind Solar Wind Solar Hybrid Policy. Okay, National Wind Solar Hybrid Policy. The government issued the National Wind Solar Hybrid Policy issued by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. It aims to boost renewable power generation by promoting new policies, new projects, as well as hybridization of existing one. I hope it is clear to all of you. I hope this scheme is also clear to all of you. So, beta, we would be continuing with the video, this particular chapter in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.